So in this video, I just want to reduce this collection to an image, and we're going to have to do some processing to get the average summer temperature for each pixel. And let's go ahead and copy that, go over here, paste it in. And so we're going to need to calculate the average temperature. I'd like to convert the units from Kelvin to Fahrenheit just because we could convert from Kelvin to Celsius, but in the US at least, a lot of people think about temperature in Fahrenheit. So I'm just going to accommodate those people today. We're going to clip it to the AO bounding geometry, which is the extent rectangle. Sometimes I'm going to say bounding geometry and I mean the extent rectangle. And then I'm going to rename the band average LST. So, and then this is how you convert from Kelvin to Fahrenheit. So let's kind of go through this. So I'm going to say the output image is going to be equal to the output, which is a collection, right? It's a filtered collection. And then the first thing I do is I need to grab the mean. So I'm going to do this the simple way and just say, let's calculate the mean or the average for each pixel in the collection. And then what I'm going to do is convert the units from Kelvin to Fahrenheit. So here's how I need to do that. I need to subtract 27315. So I'll just copy that because I'm tired. Paste it in there. And then I need to multiply by 1.8. So I'm going to just copy that. And then I need to add 32. And I think I can handle typing that. So, okay, so that should work going from Kelvin to Fahrenheit. And then I said clip to the AOI bounding geometry / extent rectangle. Let me just put that in parentheses so you don't think I'm telling you to divide. And so that means that we're going to now dot clip by the AOI extent. And then the last bit is to rename the band. So dot rename, and I'm going to copy that. And remember, it has to be a string. And I think that's about all I need to do. So let's go ahead and say print output image and see how we did. So what we should get here is the output image. It looks good. It's an image coming through rather than an image collection. So that was just the first one in the IC, but it was right. Previously we had been working with image collections. We now have an image. It has one band. The band is called average LSTF, which is what we asked for. And that all looks pretty good. And so we're going to display it in the next video, but I need to get home to take the kids trick-or-treating. So I'm going to save and see you tomorrow.